Jo.
Número 2?
Jo.
Número 3? Número 4 i número 5. Ok, perfecte.
Ok, ara sí.
Preparades?
Sí, toquem-nos.
Donem play. A la de 3. 1, 2 i 3. I poseu el so al màxim, no t'arreu.
What you are hearing right now is a product of your consciousness, interpreting what your mobile phone has decoded as binary patterns, played through the speaker of your phone. This piece is about distance, closeness, and togetherness. The composition only exists in this particular moment as a collective experience. You are part of a sonic entanglement, where each of you plays an active role in bringing this composition to existence. Together alone, present continuous. Your movements will help to transform the perception of the composition for you and the others around you. Find a comfortable position in space where you can focus on the sound coming from your phone. You might also hear the sounds coming from the other phones. Can you hear one specific sound from one of the other phones somewhere in the space? Can you move closer to that sound? How close can you get to the others within the current regulations? How can you create a sense of togetherness in space? Is there a position in space where you can
So, mobile together. Us posem així amb
Mobile together, yes. Fio peta,
Exacte, exacte.
És aquí, és davant. Què és el que grava? Això és càmera.
Això és càmera.
Això és càmera.
Jo estic gravant. Jo estic gravant enrere. No és un sonatiu.
With your movement,
La càmera,
the
posem tots els mòbils aquí
experience
davant de la
of
càmera.
the composition is created.
Posem els mòbils aquí. Si és que vagin passant així.
Què és el que grava? Per aquí grava? Chloe.
Mucha mánico.
Amor. A ver qué suena.
Move in space while focusing on the sound as a connected piece. Everything that we are hearing with our ears or perceive with our other senses is a product of our consciousness interpreting and transcribing patterns into what we sense as real objects. Together alone, present continuous. Try to find a position in space where you can isolate the sound coming from your own mobile phone. Finish this composition with distance from the others. Focus on the deconstructed sound coming from each individual bird.
Thấy cái volumen nào tốt rẻ. Wow. Chúng bây giờ đừng. Volumen sia di spazio.